Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to the channel On the Road Again, where we take the road less traveled and make it even more confusing. Tired of the usual tourist traps and overpriced coffee shops in Amsterdam? Well, you've come to the right place because as a local, I know all the best hidden gems in this beautiful city. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to take notes because we're about to dive into the top 11 local experiences in Amsterdam. 1. Take a stroll through the Jordaan neighborhood. Yes, that's right, forget about the crowded red light district, the Jordaan is where it's at. This beautiful neighborhood is filled with hidden courtyards, quaint cafes, and cute boutiques. And if you're lucky, you might even stumble upon a local market where you can try some traditional Dutch treats. 2. Rent a bike and explore the city like a local. There's no better way to see Amsterdam than on two wheels. Rent a bike and explore the city like a true Dutchman. Just be warned, the locals take their biking seriously, so watch out for those traffic rules. 3. Take a stroll through the red light district, because nothing screams classy tourist like gawking at sex workers in their windows. Bonus points if you accidentally stumbled into one of the coffee shops and pretend like you were just there for a cup of joe. 4. Visit a cheese farm. You can't visit Amsterdam and not try some traditional Dutch cheese. So, why not take it to the next level and visit a cheese farm? You'll learn all about the cheese-making process and get to sample some of the best cheese in the world. And trust me, you'll never look at cheese the same way again. 5. Get lost in the art at the Rijksmuseum. Art lovers, this one's for you. The Rijksmuseum is a true gem in Amsterdam and the perfect place to get lost for a few hours. From Rembrandt to Vermeer, this museum has it all. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, try to find the Night Watch, the most famous painting in the museum. Good luck! 6. Discover the Canal Ring. The Canal Ring is the heart and soul of Amsterdam, and you simply can't visit the city without taking a stroll along the canals. Trust me, this is the best way to see the city and get a true local experience. And if you're feeling fancy, why not take a canal boat tour? You'll get to see the city from a whole new perspective. 7. Visit a traditional Dutch pub. Forget about those overpriced cafes, it's time to experience a traditional Dutch pub. Order a Heineken and chat with the locals, you might even make some new friends. And if you're feeling brave, try some Dutch gin, you won't regret it. 8. Take a food tour. Amsterdam is famous for its delicious cuisine, so why not try it all in one go? Take a food tour and indulge in some of the best Dutch treats. From Stroopwafels to herring, there's something for everyone. 9. Visit the Anne Frank House. This may not be the most light-hearted experience, but the Anne Frank House is a must-visit for anyone visiting Amsterdam. This museum is a powerful reminder of the atrocities of the past and a testament to the human spirit. 10. Go to the movies. Amsterdam has some of the most unique cinemas in the world, from floating cinemas to old-fashioned theaters. So, why not catch a movie and see the city from a whole new perspective? And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, try to catch a movie in Dutch. You might just surprise yourself with what you understand. 11. Get a taste of the flower power at the Bloemenmarkt. Last but not least, the Bloemenmarkt, Amsterdam's floating flower market, is an experience like no other. Here, you'll find a colorful array of flowers, bulbs, and seeds that'll make you feel like you're tripping without taking any drugs. That's legal here, by the way. You can buy some tulip bulbs to take home as a souvenir, or maybe just take a picture and let the locals deal with the upkeep. Just don't get too carried away with the smell and try to stick to the path, because the last thing you want to do is fall into the canal. Trust me, it's not as picturesque as it sounds. So there you have it, folks. A local's guide to Amsterdam, top 11 local experiences. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just here for the legal weed, these experiences are sure to give you a taste of the real Amsterdam. Just remember, the best way to experience Amsterdam is like a local, so ditch the touristy guidebook and embrace the unconventional. And if all else fails, just go rent a bike and get lost in the city's charming canals. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite local experience in Amsterdam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great travel content. Until next time, happy travels!